Post-mortem of Sagolse Prashanta conducted in presence of magistrate and JSC at Jennings. JSC not to claim the body until the demands are met. All shops closed in Paungna Bazaar over police drive against shops without lighting outside. Police assaults 2 persons during the drive. And teachers of 6 government-aided colleges to cease work from May 3 to press the demands. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You are watching Primetime English News. I am Tensubam Ranita with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Post-mortem examination of Sagolse Prashanta of Kakwa Namerak Pamlekai was conducted today at Jennings. 23-year-old Prashanta was found hanging at Lilong Hauribi, Awang Lekai under suspicious circumstances on the 26th of this month. The post-mortem was conducted in presence of magistrate, member of the JSC with full video recording. Speaking to Impact News, co-convener of the JSC, T.H. Deben said even though the post-mortem has been performed, they will not claim the body until their demands are not met. He further said they may intensify the agitation to press the demands. It may be mentioned that indefinite ban has been imposed from Singzamay to Lilong Bridge stretch of Imphal-More National Highway from the 26th of this month.
Evidence phangnaba khaki postmortem tawbani adoga khoi dead body sidi khoina nasagi mai culprit je phadri bokti khoina dead body sidi logdaba na khoi hana je sina lekhi ware te khoi ahong leitre horen si postmortem lor matungda khoi mayam ge je sigi apun mami pham phamgani adi matungda hena kansanaba phirap log sena khoi ju khana jari.
GSC against the brutal killing of Sagolse Prashanta alias Abung demanded the authority to produce the full report of post-mortem examination of Prashanta within 48 hours. The JSC reaffirmed not to accept the dead body unless the truth is brought out and continue the democratic agitation. The JSC in a press release stated that the evidence on the death prior to the post-mortem strongly suggested the nature of the death is not a suicide. Poire Laimarol, Meira Paibi Apunba Manipur and All Manipur Women's Voluntary Association have condemned the killing of P. Pitaranjan and S. Prashanta. In a press release, the 2 organizations urged the government to probe the cases and punish those guilty persons. They also appealed to the people not to give a communal color to the incidents. Coordinator of Anjuman Islah-e-Muashara, Haji Mahyuddin, said it is wrong to hold the people of Lilong Hauribi responsible for the death of Prashanta from Kakwa Namerak Pamlekai because his body was recovered in Lilong Hauribi. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club today, Mahyuddin said the incident has created conflict between the 2 communities. He said the post-mortem report will only confirm the cause of the death and the people of Lilong Hauribi have formed a JSC to find the truth about the death.
Atamna khunbam amabu lekai amabu punna condemn toba natraga boycott toba haibo afam ase yamna chumdaba amasung yamna lebak macha ta daba adugum afam amani haibese thamjari loinena tang kun taret ki numidang da nungai taba thokriba tawdok MD Wahidur Rahman amasung MD Islahuddin Muslim machani haina khanglaga khuthaba makoi anigi FIR ama loraga maram chab adi maral leba mi singbu Sarkar ki Maikai digi Ain ki Maikai digi Mokoi Momatik Jabadandi Pihan Bahaibese Achumba Kongtang Oigini Habese Sarkar the Soikoina Abil Tozeri.
Konthojam MLA Keshar yesterday distributed relief materials to the flood-affected people of Top Khabi. The relief items distributed under Food and Civil Supply included 10 kg of rice, half a liter of cooking oil, 1 kg of pulse, salt and drinking water. PHED Department and Social Worker Dr. Ranjan also provided drinking water to the flood victims. However, the roads are still submerged under the filthy and stinking water and people are likely to be affected by waterborne diseases. Meanwhile, Rural Area Development Association Top Khabi had in a meeting resolved to urge the government to compensate the people whose properties including houses, farms and crops are destroyed by the recent flood. Imphal West Students Club, Khumbong, in a press release informed that the club donated 24 rice bags and other food items to the people of Khumbong affected by the recent flood and hailstorm. Imphal West Students Club appreciated DC Imphal West SDO Patsoy, SDC Konthaujam and staff for the help. At least 17 houses were completely damaged while 28 others were badly damaged in the recent thunderstorm in Waikong subdivision. The number of households affected stands at 150 in the subdivision. SDO Waikong, Dr. Mayengbam Veto distributed relief items to the affected households at Thongjao, Komnao, Tokaching, Arong and Guiding Nongmaikong villages as immediate relief measures. Social worker Naurim Kobit has extended help to the people affected by the recent thunderstorm in Sora in Kakching Assembly constituency. Naurim Kobit distributed GI sheets to 40 badly affected families at Sora Bazaar. He also assured that more help will be provided to the victims. 12th Bihar Regiment of 9th Sector Assam Rifle distributed food and drinking water to about 200 people who are staying at relief camp at Kokchai Government Primary School in Imphal West today. Kokchai and other nearby villages were badly affected by the thunderstorm last week and many people are staying in relief camps. People who have been hit by the recent earthquake have accused the government of partiality in providing help to the quake victims. Speaking to media today at Manipur Press Club, some victims said 8 houses were damaged in Yumnam Kuno in Imphal East in January 4 earthquake. They said Sagolmang SDC and PWD conducted a survey of the lost and submitted a report to the government. On April 17, SDO Sagolmang handed over rupees 3,200 to 2 affected households, rupees 5,200 to another 2 households and rupees 95,000 to the remaining 4 families. They said they will return the amount to Sagolmang SDO today.
Aduh citahu panena moi yum mari manga aduna nongni leraga 95,000 adumana PB na koi tajai phun bokal oiba akhoi si reject na haidana paisa ji matik sana PB dre aduna achan mirai naira bra haidana koi isaji da penje dadana maili ba department sina me of the sangbiu haidana koi mida ga thongda wakaseben.
Shopkeepers in Paungna Bazaar today closed their shops protesting against the police drive. Shopkeepers are protesting the assault of 2 salesmen and alleged forced closure of shops by Imphal police personnel. The personnel allegedly closed the shops for not having lights outside their respective shops. Following the protest, Sagolban MLA R.K. Imo rushed to the Paungna Bazaar and intervened in the matter. He spoke to the agitating shopkeepers. MLA Imo gave assurance to the agitating shopkeepers that street lamps will be installed within 10 to 15 days. A team of police personnel led by Imphal West Commando OC Thangampao allegedly picked up a shopkeeper identified as Ajay Kar from Thangal Bazaar who runs a shop at Paungna Bazaar for complaining to the MLA. Shopkeeper Ajay Kar had allegedly complained to the MLA that 2 salesmen were physically assaulted by the team of commandos. Following the incident, angry shopkeepers closed all the shops. The 2 assaulted salesmen are identified as Haubam Thoi from Sanjenbam and Amir from Khetrigao. Detained shopkeeper Ajay Kar was released later. The centre has allocated 11,796 metric tons of rice for implementation of National Food Security Act in Manipur. The allocation is from the month of April 2016 onwards. An official press release issued by DIPR said the allocation was made on the request of the state government to take only rice and convert whatever quota of wheat entitled for Manipur into rice. The state government has provided Rs 30 crores in budget 2016 to 2017 as state share for implementation of NFSA. The list of beneficiaries so far digitized can be seen at www.pdsmanipur.nic.in. 8 persons who are likely to contest the June 2 Imphal Municipal Corporation election have joined Bharatiya Janata Party Manipur Pradesh. Speaking at the reception of the 8 new entrants to the party at Nityaipa Chuthek, party president, T.S. Chauba stated that corruption can be wiped out completely from the state if BJP comes to power both in state legislative and local bodies. T.S. Chauba was also hopeful that BJP will sweep the Imphal municipal election like it did in autonomous district councils and municipal councils and Nagar Panchayats. 8 persons who have joined the BJP include constituted a Congress ward member, former councillors and General Secretary of Yai School Block Mahila Congress.
Municipal Corporation election ki damakta Bharatiya Janata Party re yaugi raktuna Kaisham Thong Yai School da leiba ward rani gi Sagovan gi ward mari gi mioi nipan asi Bharatiya Janata Party da yaujage haidna dagas tharakgi matungina lauthoi 2017 da thengnagadaba general election gi adugumba semi final aroibani mathang ahumlak chatkre mariek subani hantak aina thajai soidanamak Bharatiya Janata Party na mai pakani.
Manipur People's Party MPP will fill its candidates in all the wards in the Imphal Municipal Corporation election scheduled for June 2. Intending candidates can submit application forms for the MPP ticket till May 15. President of Janata Dal United Manipur Unit Moirangthem Tumbi denounced the construction of parking lot above the drain near the wall of RIMS Gynecology Department. After inspecting the construction site today, Tumbi said it will create artificial floods in Uripok area and urged the RIMS authority to stop the construction and remove the parking lot immediately. Tumbi also threatened to file a PIL in the court if the authority concerned fails to listen to the plea.
Khwaidagi akhoi laibak thiba thodong ama akhoi thokadore madudi RIMS ki authority na akhoi gi Uripok ki tongan ba lekai taret akhoi gi khusem gi sing isau thokna ba lambi ma RIMS ki authority na sille miyam gi drain ma khag RIMS ki marung da power ga sili ba drain se masi gi mathakta permanent construction ma RIMS ki authority na tawri ba se masi athu matam da topiu hana sagi basu dismantle khudak da topiu Sagadam Lebisu Madu program cancel Tobio, Natrabadi, JDU ko Sami Nervo political party Singapulaga, Akoi PIL shoot organ in Miam interesta.
A series of meetings were held between newly appointed Director of Information and Public Relations, Megha Chandra Kongbam, and the representatives of media fraternity today to exchange views and suggestions for healthy media environment in the state. Representatives of media fraternity suggested issues like a separate corpus fund for the welfare of journalists, increase in the number of I-cards issued by the DIPR to different media houses, amendment of the existing Manipur working journalist pension rules, etc. The representatives also submitted a charter of demands to the director for inclusion of correspondence in the VIP's tour programs and proper screening of journalists while issuing DIPR cards. It's time for a small commercial break. We'll be back in a short while. Keep watching Impact News.
Kuirabagi tungda punba sinungai.
Sumi. Madi kari tore.
Maag se double strength ning sing pumali.
Mangon the PU double strength. Liver tonic.
Lipsap DS.
Lipsap DS double strand liver tonic.
Kuirabagi tungda.
Welcome back. You're watching English Primetime News. All Manipur Government-aided College Teachers Association will cease work from May 3 to press their long outstanding demands. Members of the association continued their sit-in at Thambal Marik College today. Vice President of the association, Dr. Maibam Somerendra, said government has not given any response to their legitimate demands even as the ultimatum of March 30 has passed. Members of the association have been wearing black badges against the indifferent attitude of the government from April 11 and staging sit-ins at different constituent colleges from April 25. Dr. Maibam Somerendra also added that if the government continues to neglect their demands, the teachers of the 6 government-aided colleges may resign en masse. The 6 government-aided colleges are Biramangol College, Standard College, Mayai Lambi College, Liberal College, Thambal Marik College and Kakching Khunau College.
Ado marak sida koi honorable education minister na koi informal meeting da anira kobir na koi phamja khare adu bo chapsaba koi na phangjari ba demand si maram sab pot myam duti koi phirep to aseng ba thambitrim na koi strike si makha sathajari hujik ado koi me gi tang ahum dagi de koi sizwa strike sathajaragani.
Dead bodies of 2 hunters were discovered today at Seven River Moirangthel village at Technopal in Chandel district. The deceased are identified as A. Ngaransun, age 33, son of A. Yang Masao from Ukhrul district, and M.K. Lungray, age 40, also from Ukhrul district. The two hunters were missing since April 22. They were allegedly shot by unidentified gunmen at Moirangthil village. The bodies have been discovered by Technopal police personnel. GSC, formed in connection with the death of Oinam Kunjamani from Yaripok Laimanai, has withdrawn its agitation following an assurance by Andro MLA T.S. Shamkumar today. At a meeting held at the official quarters, the MLA assured the people that the persons involved in the death of Oinam Kunjamani will not be spared. He said he would submit the memorandum of the JSC to the Chief Minister soon. He also appealed to the people to collect the body of Oinam Kunjamani from Rim's morgue and perform the last rites. Even though the JSC has decided to withdraw the agitation, the ban imposed on passenger diesel auto rickshaws in Yaripok area will continue.
Thomamiba Octo driver se yam athumatamda police amasum aigi maigaidagi puthogani adu puthona buju kan honari aduga soidra so koi langan langjin si khangabanina khara makai khangabina koi ngamagani habagi chepa thajabadu thami aduna JSC gi maigaidagi pendaba kayama thambi mayam sing adu puning phathabiraga koi Laigitraba Pabunga Siki Haksanga si Lobiraga, Husi Ban, the strike to Vibisi, Handopiraga, Norman Gilap Handanabadagi, police Namasum, Prazamiam, Pamiba, Amanda Isana Pamjamiam, Tapoto, Ontonaba, Honazagi, I am Samito was CSC, in Mayamsu, Namulaga, or never see Mr. Pisanzaraga, with substantial action alone of Honazagi.
Workers' Union of the state have decided to launch a series of agitation against the central and state government from May 1. The unions allege that the centre is amending the labour law, depriving the rights of workers and favouring the corporate and the state government in indulging in privatisation of various public sectors. Speaking to media at the office of All Manipur Road Transport Drivers and Motor Workers Union at MG Avenue, General Secretary of All India Trade Union Congress L. Sotin Kumar said the series of agitation will be held across the state as a preparation of nationwide general strike on September 2. A sit-in and hunger strike will be also held on Quit India Day scheduled on August 9.
Sarkar da magi department single leiba casual master role workers employees se masi khudak ta permanent tahalu haiba adu loirana organize of the unorganized workers sing da leiba adu simi karmachari union association kaya amana ekoina thamjariba dabi tara Nomogi Tamagi Kusumana said, Yamdrabada, polishing Taradagi, Tramadagi Tadan, Pigabani, Haiba, polishing Taramanga, Semas, so then Peter Via, I will say Maseko, Pukani, Takshan Hangani, Ekoi, Adugolena, was it Pocha Gibaman, hiding island and the Takali was there, Masi, public distribution system, Neum Chuna, Bakanabagi, Tansan Gani.
Milal will organize a Maite Mayek writing competition on May Day. Milal leader Moirangthem Now Khumba appealed to the CSOs, NGOs and JACs not to call Band or block it on the day. Speaking to media persons at Milal office, he said Milal alone cannot develop the language without the help of the people. About 3,000 students from class 3 to 11 will compete in the 5 categories. Winners in every category will be given cash prize and memento.
Hokiba Ipingi Kunga Marida, Pangtokan Toxeramani Taradu, Subadapaki Takta, my racing is singing as Adu, Kaluk Eba, Toning up Totokra, Toki Torpategi, Adum Irang Aduna Maraga, Quena, La River Megi, Ama, no Majin Mr. Pantona Vaina, Yatuk Saraka, Pantok Sakadori. And the Masigi, Leviriba, Singmitami, Purupsa, Iripaksa, Sing Punamana, Hayeng, Ipingi, Contra Amadi, Megi Amase, Lepaki Eba. Athingba lambi sathok sesin tawbada apanba pibidenaba abadi ban blockade tawbidenaba milangi maikadegi noluksari.
One-day awareness program on end malaria for good was held at Irom Majrao Community Hall in connection with the World Malaria Day 2016. The program was organized by Imphal West District Nodal Officer as part of the National Vector-Borne Disease Control Program of the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. District Nodal Officer Imphal West, Dr. Nongthombam Thoinau said, malaria is spread by mosquitoes and it is necessary for the people to know how to protect themselves from mosquitoes. He said free treatment and free medicines are provided to people infected with malaria in all the districts. Dr. Thoinau said medicated mosquito nets will be distributed to the public soon. Kakhulung affected landowners 1994 have thanked Sagulban MLA R.K. Imo for his initiative to ensure compensation to the people 20 years after the eviction. In a Thanksgiving held today at Kakhulung, they appreciated the MLA's help. Ban on Miss Manipur contests have been lifted, but the organizers have to follow certain terms and conditions. Addressing the media persons today at the office of PPCM, President of Amkil P.A. Sakhi said, Pore Lemarol, Kanglamai, Chitua and PPCM held a meeting and resolved to lift the ban on Miss Manipur contest. She stated that organizers who want to organize the event should not organize it for the sake of money. She said organizers should allow participants from across the state. She insisted that Amkil, Chitua, Kanglamai and Pore should be the permanent advisory body. She said the participants should be educated and preference should be given to those who are well aware of the history of the state.
Kharagi mamangda khoi Miss Manipur ji thingjakhibani adubu ngasidi akoina thingjagiba potladu khoi yanare haiba tare Miss Manipur tawiningba isa jingna sagi yamna phajana lemna agi khoi nat ki oba phije saksana laitenga yamna luna yamna nanna Manipur gi Miss Manipur haiba khoi wahi da ai Miss Manipur ta gi bani ma di Miss Manipur ta gi bani haiba khoi awang ba thaki wahi do thamnana bagi damakta khoi set ba chaba matamda phajana nana inat ki oba phi set bi u
DDU Kaushal Kendra Deen Dayal Upadhyay Centers for Knowledge, Acquisition of Skills, Human Abilities and Upgradation of Skill, Human Abilities and Livelihood celebrated its annual event Kaushal Nachom at the Jubilee Hall of NG College. At present, 50 students are studying fashion designing and hospitality management in the college under DDU Kaushal Kendra. As part of the event, an exhibition was also held. Speaking to media persons, Director of DDU Kaushal Kendra, NG College, Dr. N. Achoba stated that they are organizing the event in order to expose the hidden talents of the students and at the same time provide a platform for their placement after completion of their courses. Manipur today celebrated the International Dance Day. The celebration was jointly organized by Film Forum Manipur and Maipa Dance and Fitness Studio at Lamphel Bazaar, Lamphel Pad. Ahead of the function, dancers of Maipa Dance Studio took out a rally on the theme, Say No to Drugs, Be Fit and Healthy with Dance from Kisampad. Speakers at the event said it is unfortunate that majority of the people think that dance is taken up by rowdy people. They maintain that dance keeps body as well as the mind fit and fresh. Maipa dancers perform different dances at the function. Jawaharlal Nehru Dance Academy also celebrated International Dance Day at the Academy. K. Radhakumar, Commissioner of Art and Culture, said the day is very important and significant as dances of Manipur are well known in the world and highly appreciated. He said government is taking measures to allow students from the academy to apply for suitable jobs in various departments. Many alumni of the academy working in different states are recognized and respected for their knowledge and talent. Radhakumar maintained why should not the state government give a proper place for the students of the academy. Chali Pareng, Lai Harauba, Kabui Dance, Pungchalom and Mao Dance were performed in the event.
Foundation the chahi ohum, diploma the chahi post diploma the chahi ohum. Moisi pastor pasatra singsi Manipur Sarkari Makada labor relevant posting the post ki the masak khangbai hi am darkar lai na law. Sidagi pastor give Satra Satri Singsi Hujik Kogi Bishabharti Santiniketan was our lake. The Canada Rasthan the Laiba University was our lake. Rastana West Bengal recognized or Manipur Sargana Musica, we recognized or we know.
Now news from the world of sports. Nongpok Kangkhut Kesamthong Tres Atia Kangkhut Kesamthong 16-7 in the 6th league match of the Inter Kesamthong Kendra League Kang tournament at Khabam Lakpam Mandop Kesamthong Ilangbam Laikai. Maning Kangkhut and Kha Kangkhut will meet in the 7th league match tomorrow. Senior Talo coach and judge of Wushu Association of Manipur, Sachitananda Mayang Langbam, and 2 senior Talo players, KH Vidyashwari and Naukhomba of Manipur, are attending in the Asian Double Tai Chi coaches training courses in Hong Kong. Mama FC Nepra Menjor bagged the 3rd position of the 7th late S. Amuba Singh Football 6A side men's open football tournament. In a match played for the 3rd place today, Mama FC Nepra Menjor defeated SCY Yumnam Kuno 5-4. Mama FC Nepra Menjor's player Golmai scored 4 goals in the 12th, 14th, 22nd and 32nd minute of the match, while Palguni scored a goal in the 37th minute. The winner of the tournament will receive trophy along with rupees 30,000, while runners-up will get trophy along with rupees 20,000, and 3rd position will receive trophy along with rupees 10,000. The tournament is organized by Youth Bright Star Club, Tera Sapam Leirak, Nongmai Them Leikai under the sponsorship of S. Dhanabir. The final match will be played between RFC Khamnam Leirak and SDS Lamdeng Kuno on May 1. FC Imphal Mayai Koibi Kuki Sporting Club Nambulane and United Veteran Sports Association Lilong Chajing beat their rivals in the 18 Challenge Cup Veteran Football Tournament. In the 7th league match, FC Imphal Mayai Koibi beat Veteran Brothers Football Association Manipur 2-0. In the 8th league, Kuki Sporting Club Nambulane defeated NCDA Khongapat 2-0, while United Veteran Sports Association Lilong Chajing Tres Imphal East Veteran Football Association Salanthong 5-0 in the 9th league match. SUWC Irengbam won the first state-level cash prize mini boys volleyball tournament. In the final, SUWC Irengbam beat PBM Wangjing 16-25, 24-26, 25-20, 25-18, 15-13 to win the tournament. 17 teams competed in the tournament organized by HYDCCL Haikrujam at its playground. Students of National Sports Academy Kumanlampak today left their hostels and went back to their homes. They left the academy, which has 160 boys and 85 girl students, as it could not provide water, power and other basic amenities including bathroom and toilet, and requires sports equipments to the students. They left their hostel in protest against the lack of facilities and warned that they will not stay in the hostels until the proper facilities are provided to them.
Hoji akoi academy gi oina leiba phibam asi hirang kudimakta awat pa ngata ngaire ising dagi saba thakpa dagi sanabagi sports activity dagi akoi piriba important oiba posai myam sing se akoi isada phangdrabni na akoi ngasi dagi oina hostel ji thado chatlagani aduduga moina karigumba hostel lo pankhala hostel gi dalariba posi pibi ga daba posai sing pibi aktubo akoi matang kakta yumda dum leragani karigumba posai sing ji pankha palora matungda akoi si hostel da lakjagani mailena bo authority singna
Before we wind up this bulletin, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Post-mortem of Sagosem Prashanta conducted in presence of magistrate and JSC at Jenims. JSC not to claim the body until the demands are met. All shops in Pauna Bazaar closed over police drive against shops without lighting outside. Police assaults 2 persons during the drive. And teachers of 6 government-aided colleges to cease work from May 3 to press their demands.